Presenting a 1952 Plymouth Cranbrook, offered at $7,500, located in Waxhaw, North Carolina. This classic beauty features a manual transmission with 3 on-the-tree shifting, a mere 1,001 miles on the odometer, and a clean title. The car has recently received a full refresh, including brand new paint, carpet, seats, door panels, gas tank, starter, and generator. It runs smoothly, cranks right up, and drives well, making it a fun, old-school ride with excellent restoration potential. While not a showroom vehicle, it's super nice and perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage cars. For more details and to explore this classic Plymouth, check the full listing in the description below. Here's a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. A 1951 Chevrolet Fleetline Deluxe available for just $10,000 in North Chicago, Illinois. This charming vintage vehicle boasts a 235 engine with Fenton headers and has only 100 miles on the odometer, reflecting minimal use. It features a manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a clean title, making it a solid foundation for restoration or a neat addition to any classic collection. The car is painted in gray and described as being in good condition, although the brakes may need some attention. Its historical value and unique styling are sure to appeal to collectors looking for an iconic Chevy from the early 50s. For more details and to see photos, check out the link in the description below. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history with this 1951 Chevy Fleetline Deluxe. Step back in time with this stunning 1953 Mercury Monterey, a true gem of American automotive history. Priced at $7,500, this classic sedan is located in Chatsworth, California. With its fair condition, clean title, and 8 cylinders, this car offers a unique blend of 1950s charm and restoration potential. Featuring a blue and white exterior, blue and white vinyl interior, and iconic chrome accents, this Monterey is a standout for collectors and enthusiasts. The odometer reads 1,000 miles, and it comes with an automatic transmission and an extra 350 engine. Perfect for vintage car shows or Sunday drives, this piece of automotive history is ready to turn heads. Visit the link in our description to learn more and arrange a viewing. Serious inquiries only, please. Attention classic car enthusiasts. Here's a rare gem you won't want to miss. A 1954 Cadillac Fleetwood sedan in good condition, listed for just $2,000 in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. This iconic American luxury car boasts an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, showing 88,000 miles on the odometer. Its classic green paint and clean title status add to its appeal as a prime restoration project or a customizable LS swap candidate. The seller confirms the body is super solid. Floors, doors, and trunk are free of rust or rot, but the driver's door has a notable dent. The engine is disassembled but complete, minus the carburetor and starter, and it includes a rebuilt transmission and a coveted Batwing air cleaner. All parts are meticulously bagged and tagged, making restoration manageable for a dedicated hobbyist. The bumpers, grille, and stainless trim remain in excellent condition, preserving its vintage charm. Whether you're drawn to its historical significance, robust V8 platform, or the thrill of bringing a mid-century classic back to life, this Fleetwood is a canvas for creativity. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Act fast to secure a piece of automotive history. For more details or to explore this project further, check the link in the description below. Your dream Cadillac build starts here. Are you a classic car enthusiast looking for a unique restoration project? Look no further than this 1954 DeSoto Powermaster, a rare gem with a rich history. With its original flat 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this sedan has the potential to be a stunning showpiece. Although it's been sitting for many years, the car still boasts its original features, including a gray paint job, despite some rust and wear. The odometer reads 90,000 miles, and the condition is fair, making it a great candidate for a thorough restoration. One important note is that the title is missing, but in Connecticut, cars over 20 years old don't require a title. This 1954 DeSoto Powermaster is being sold as is, with an asking price of $2,000, making it an affordable opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to restore it to its former glory or use it for parts, this classic car has a certain appeal that's hard to find. For more information and to see more photos, be sure to visit the link in our description and get ready to bring this piece of automotive history back to life. Discover a classic treasure from 1955, the Ford F-100 pickup truck, priced at $5,500, located in Greentown, Pennsylvania. This green beauty, with only 80,000 miles on the odometer, is a solid restoration project. It boasts a clean title, manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and features an impressive FE engine crossmember and rebuilt Ford 9-inch suspension with 411 posi. Not to mention, the truck has been off the road since the 70s, making it a piece of history worth preserving. The rust-free frame, new brakes, wiring, and restored components all contribute to its undeniable appeal. Whether you're drawn to its historic charm or eager to complete its build, this is a rare find. Visit the link in the description for more details. Discover the charm of this classic 1954 Chevrolet Wagon, priced at just $6,500 and located in Roseville, California. With its clean title and a body that's impressively straight, this wagon is an excellent candidate for restoration. Powered by a 235 inline-6 engine, currently not running, the car boasts a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. While showing its age with fair condition and an odometer reading of 999,999 miles, this vintage ride has minimal rust and a current registration. Its nostalgic brown paint and wagon design hold immense historical value, ideal for collectors or car enthusiasts. Dive deeper into its potential and captivating story by visiting the provided description link on YouTube today. Here's a rare opportunity to own a classic piece of automotive history, a 1951 TD right-hand drive convertible, ready for restoration. With a 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and a manual transmission, this timeless beauty is waiting to be revived. Its clean title and vintage appeal make it perfect for collectors. Some restoration is needed, including addressing compression issues and brake repairs, but the convertible top and wood are in good condition, preserving its charm. Whether you're an enthusiast or a project seeker, this MG TD holds immense potential. Visit the description link in YouTube for more details. This 1952 Dodge M43 Marine Corps 3/4-ton ambulance is a classic military vehicle in good condition, perfect for collectors or restoration enthusiasts. With its original 6-cylinder engine, 4WD drive, and manual transmission, it's a project with great potential. The truck was last running a few years ago but requires some TLC to get back on the road. The title is clean, and it comes with California historic vehicle plates. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of history. For more details, check the full description. Here's a classic 1950 Chevy 3100 truck, a true vintage gem perfect for restoration enthusiasts. This project truck is priced at $2,250 and is located in Elgin, Texas. It features a clean title, original 6-lug wheels, and an odometer reading of 9,999 miles. Please note, It comes as is without the motor or transmission, offering an exciting challenge for those looking to bring a piece of automotive history back to life. For more details, check the link in the description. This 1954 Packard Patrician Straight 8 is a classic luxury sedan, featuring a 359 cubic inch straight 8 engine delivering 212 horsepower. It boasts a clean title, automatic transmission, and approximately 50,000 miles on the odometer. The vehicle is in non-running condition, ideal for restoration or parts. Located in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania, it's priced at $8,000. For more details, visit the provided link. Looking for a vintage project with classic American charm? Check out this 1955 Ford F100, priced at just $4,000 and located in Las Vegas, Nevada. This timeless pickup runs on gas and shows only 1,000 miles on the odometer, ideal for restoration or hot rod conversion. It comes with a clean title and a unique transmission setup. With its iconic body style and solid foundation, it's a perfect candidate for enthusiasts looking to bring a piece of automotive history back to life. Visit the link in the description to see more and get started on your next classic car journey. Up for sale is a classic 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck, a timeless piece of automotive history with immense restoration potential. Priced at $9,500 or best offer, this rare gem is located in Loveland, Colorado, and features a sturdy 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual 4-speed transmission and reliable rear-wheel drive. With 116,000 miles on the odometer, it's in good mechanical condition, runs and drives smoothly, and boasts a clean title. Recent upgrades include new tires, rims, brakes, and kingpins, while its solid cab with no rust and intact glass highlights its structural integrity. The vintage blue paint adds to its nostalgic charm, making it perfect for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a customizable project. Whether you're drawn to its historical value, rugged design, or the thrill of preserving a mid-century workhorse, this Chevy 3100 is a standout opportunity. Don't miss your chance to own a slice of Americana. Visit the YouTube link in the description below for a closer look and full details. Act fast, as classics like this won't stay on the market long. Up for sale is a 1951 Chevrolet 6100 dump truck, a true classic and all original. Priced at $8,500 and located in Carlton, Oregon, this truck features a robust inline 6-cylinder gas engine with 80,000 miles on the odometer. It's in good condition with a clean title and a manual transmission. The body is very clean with a functional dumper and a wide 12 to 15 foot bed. This truck has been carefully stored and loved, offering excellent restoration potential and historical value. Explore this rare gem in detail by visiting the link in the description below. Looking for a classic restoration project? These two 1954 Plymouth two-door coupes, available for just $750, are waiting for the right enthusiast to bring them back to life. One is complete, though it hasn't run in 20 years, while the other has undergone partial modifications with a 1970s A-body Chevy frame and suspension. Both cars boast relatively straight panels, the rocker panels require work. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive, these coupes retain their vintage appeal. With clean Pennsylvania titles, they offer a solid foundation for restoration. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of automotive history. Check the description for more details. Are you searching for a classic gem with restoration potential? Introducing the 1950 Ford F2, an iconic truck that embodies automotive history. Priced at just $1,000, this project vehicle is located in Elgin, Texas. While it currently lacks a motor, transmission, and truck bed, it features a clean title and an odometer reading of 999 miles. The cabin and chassis boast solid foundations, with cab corners in great condition, making it perfect for a passionate restoration enthusiast. Whether you're drawn to its historical charm or envision transforming it into a custom masterpiece, this truck offers endless possibilities. For more details, visit the provided link in the video description. This 1953 Willys M43 is a classic military Jeep in good condition, featuring a 4-cylinder engine for WD drive and a manual transmission. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, it retains its original blue paint and clean title. The vehicle runs well and shifts smoothly, showcasing the durability of the Willys Hurricane F-Head 134 inline-4 engine. Despite some surface rust, the body is well preserved, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or as a functional farm Jeep. For more information, visit the provided link. Introducing a 1953 Ford for sale at $5,500, located in Fulton, Ohio. This classic vehicle features the original 239 cubic inch flathead V8 engine, renowned for its smooth performance and historical significance. With only 33,409 miles on the odometer, it boasts a clean title and a manual transmission. As the final year for the flathead V8, this car represents the end of an era in automotive history. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts or collectors, it offers a solid foundation for a vintage project. For more details, visit the provided link in the description. Step back in time with this classic 1951 Willys Jeep, a vintage icon with true character. Priced at just $6,000, this sturdy old-timer is located in Luther, Oklahoma. Running on gas with a manual transmission, it boasts only 500 miles on the odometer. While the title is missing, this Willys is a prime candidate for restoration or off-road adventures. Looking for a solid, clean classic with undeniable history? Don't miss out. Check the description for more details.